Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, then act immediately. Make sure Microsoft Designer is installed and you're signed into your Microsoft account. This unlocks templates and cloud saving. Grant camera, gallery, and storage permissions so Designer can import photos and save outputs. Next, choose your canvas size and a template or blank project. Pick the aspect ratio like 16:9 for landscape or 1:1 for socials. Once done, import a photo or tap Create to begin editing. You'll move into detailed execution. Accept an AI suggestion or manually adjust layout and color palette because Designer's suggestions jumpstart ideas but manual tweaks make them yours. Tap Text to edit content and style. Use the layer panel to reorder elements and align with guides. Pinch to zoom for precision and use gestures for nudging objects. Once satisfied with composition, replace images or clean the background, then fine-tune exposure, contrast, and saturation, so visuals. Finish by exporting and sharing your design. Choose PNG or JPG, set quality and dimensions, and export to your gallery or OneDrive. You can also share directly to social apps from the share sheet. If you need multiple sizes, use the template resize/export feature to generate variants quickly. If Designer behaves oddly, stop and clear app cache, restart the app or phone, and reinstall if crashes persist. Make sure storage and permissions are adequate so exports don't fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.